Hello dear students, in the previous class we learned about some agricultural practices. So in this class today we will continue some agricultural practices like weeding, harvesting, threshing, winnowing, storage. Now let's see the slide. Chapter 1, Crop Protection and Management. Weeding and crop protection. The process of removing weeds from the fields is known as weeding. You can see the image here. Weeding can be done manually either by hand or by spraying special chemicals called weedicides. Sometimes undesirable plants called weeds grow along with the crop. It is important to remove these weeds, otherwise they can harm the main crops. Weedicides. These chemicals destroy the weeds. Even though chemical weeding is faster, it can be dangerous and can cause health issues. Sometimes these chemicals also get absorbed inside the crop and cause poisoning. Protection from pest and disease. Organisms that cause disease to the plants are called pathogens. The organisms that damage or destroy the crops are known as pests. The method used to protect the crops from pathogens and pests are spraying the chemicals at regular intervals. Such chemicals are known as pesticides. Some commonly used pesticides are DDT. DDT stands for dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane, and BHC stands for benzene hexachloride. They are either sprayed by hand operated machines or by low flying aircraft if the area is to be covered is large. Excess use of pesticides is very harmful to human beings as they irritate the skin and cause gastric and respiratory disorders. Now threshing. Threshing is the process by which the grains are separated from their husk. This is done manually by beating the stalk of ripe grains on a surface in order to loosen the grains, or it can be done with the help of a machine called thresher. The harvested crop is spread on the ground and the bullocks or camels are made to walk over them again and again till the grains come out of chaff. Harvesting. The process of cutting and collecting the matured crops from the field is known as harvesting. We can harvest crops either manually with the help of tools like a sickle or with the help of a machine called harvester. Once the crop is harvested, then the grains are separated from chaff. Now winnowing. The process of separating grain from chaff and hay with the help of wind is called winnowing. Winnowing can be done manually or by using a winnowing machine. Storage. The grains must be stored properly in jute bags or metallic bins. Large scale storage of grains is done in silos and granaries to protect them from pests like rats and insects. Care must be taken that the grains are kept first away from moisture, second safe from rain, third protected from pests and birds, fourth in airtight godowns, fifth in proper bags for the purpose of transportation. Dried neem leaves are used for storing food grains at home. For example, when wheat is stored in iron drums, then some dried neem leaves are put in it. For storage large quantities in big godowns, specific chemical treatment are required to protect them from pests and microorganisms. Animal husbandry. The science which deals with breeding, feeding and caring of domestic animals is called animal husbandry. We receive many food items from some animals too. They provide us with edible products like milk, cottage, cheese, curd, meat, honey, egg, etc. You can see the flowchart, it is given here. Pisciculture. The rearing of fish is called pisciculture. Fishery is the farming of fish. The fish found in marine water are called sea fish or marine fish. Apiculture. The rearing of honeybees is called apiculture. It is done on large scale in farms. Honeybees produce honey by sucking nectar of flowers, which is rich in minerals and sugars. Now we will continue next chapter in next class. Thank you.